Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Haseeb. I have worked as a top software developer and software architect for the Silicon Valley startups and the companies that falls under Fortune 500 like PwC, Citibank and Accenture. So if you are passionate about new technologies and the programming languages like JavaScript and TypeScript, frameworks like Nest.js, React.js and Nest.js, and the architectures like microservices architecture, event-driven, domain-driven and serverless architecture, then you have come to the right place. So guys, I'm here again on YouTube with a new goal. So I want to help software developers, software architects and cloud engineers grow in their career. So whether you are just starting or you have been working for a while, I have got something for you. So if you are a student and still learning the coding, then I will show you how you can become a good software engineer. You don't have to wait until you graduate. I will teach you some important skills that will help you start your career early. So if you are already working somewhere and want to get better, then I will help you too. So I have noticed many experienced software developers have not worked with architectures like microservices architecture, event-driven architectures and serverless. And I will give you example like the applications like Twitter and Netflix are using event-driven and microservices architecture approach. But I will teach you how you can learn the architecture, how you can not just the theory, but I will teach you the implementation as well, so you can work on that. So let's discuss about your dream job. So most of you want to work at big company and famous company. I will teach you how to perform well in interviews. Even I will conduct some mock interviews for developers, software solution architects, software architects, diverse professional, and even I will try to cover senior level positions like CTO as well. So stay tuned. And I know guys, most of you are not interested in office-based job and they hate 9 to 5 routine. I will help you in that. I will tell you how you can get the remote job and you can do work from anywhere. You don't have to go office, and I will tell you different platforms like LinkedIn, Crossover and Turing.com. Let's come to freelancing. Most of you guys want to do freelance work, and I will tell you how you can get freelance work from Upwork. I will be focusing on Upwork, like how you can write a good proposal and how you can use Upwork next in an efficient way and how you can generate a passive income.
So if you want to improve your skills, understand big projects and get ready for exciting jobs, stick with me. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any update. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.